Are you struggling with English grammar? Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Sahal. I've been teaching English since 2020 and I have worked in different schools and academies. Over the years, I realized many learners struggle with English grammar because it's not explained simply. That's why I started teaching online and now I'm here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to make English easy for everyone. If you want clear and simple English, you are on the right place. Full lessons are available on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. I also share reels on Instagram and TikTok. The links are in the comment section. How will you get into my YouTube channel? Just type SAHALINSIGHTS Sahal Insights and there you go. You will get my YouTube channel. This is what you are looking for. If you want to improve, subscribe to Sahal Insights. And thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy learning with me. Keep learning, keep teaching others, and remember me and your precious prayers. Assalamu alaikum.